Just give me a moment. I'm trying to pull up some document. Okay. Okay, share screen. Present now. A window. Can you guys see this window?
Yes, we can see.
Okay. Actually, I want to present this thing later. For that, I don't know why this is taking so much time. Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this new quartile we call at Cognitive Physics. So this is the course Contemporary Natural Philosophy. This is all about learning how to learn physics. So we will try to connect, we'll actually try to see the connection between mathematics and physics, because later it will be useful, and along the way we'll learn a lot of mathematics with it. So can you see a list of people over here? Like, can you see this window?
Yes. Yes, I can see.
Okay. So probably all of you know me, but I think I shouldn't reintroduce myself. I am Ashikul Islam Deep, and I'm Director of Research at Cognitive Physics and a graduate student at NC State University. We have here total 15 participants. First, before going to introduce everyone, I'd like to thank Institute of Physics for funding this course. The expenses are totally covered by the institute, like Institute of Physics, London. So we have first Dr. Karl Friedberg. He actually is not a student anymore. He actually completed his PhD at Princeton University. I believe it's 1969. Am I right, Dr. Friedberg? Right. So your microphone is turned off.
I'm sorry. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, it's correct then. Okay, so you are. I think you're a CEO at Comets Corp, I believe.
Yes,
right?
that is yes.
Okay. So then we have Humaira Binta Awal. He's basically a third-year student. That means a junior student at University of Dhaka. Then we have Mahadeva Chanda Durjoy. He's also he's a second-year student. That means sophomore student at University of Dhaka. We have Syed Emaduddin Shubho. He actually graduated already, right?
No, I'm already a third-year student, but I will be in my senior year very soon.
Very okay. Yeah, I get it. So at Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology, typically known as BET in Bangladesh. And then we have Sulaiman Hussein. He's from Shahjalal University of Science and Technology. He's, as I can see, like 5th semester student. That means basically a junior student, I believe. Then we have Ankam Das. He's also a student at Shahjalan University of Science and Technology, Bangladesh. He is also a 5th semester student. Then we have Pooja Bajaj. Is she here?
Yeah. Hello, everyone.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah.
I'm here. Yeah.
She completed her master's from Jainarayan Vyas University in 2009, I believe, right?
Yes. 2008. Yeah.
2008, sorry. Yeah. Then we have Sifatul Alam. He's also from Bangladesh University of Engineering Technology. He completed his BSc. Then we have Robin Ray. He's also from BUET, like Bangladesh University of Engineering Technology. And he's also, I believe you both are grad students, right?
Yes, we have completed our undergraduation in 2019, and now we will go for PhD in future.
Okay. Yeah. So then we have Zubaida Karim Githi. He's from Pune University. She actually, it's her. So she's, I'm really sorry for that. Yeah, like academia is getting more and more like all about political correctness. So you should sometimes get confused about someone like he or she, then something bad can happen to you. Okay, she's a 3rd-year student at Khulna University. Then we have Alfred Havan. He is from Nigeria, University of Jos. He's a 3rd-year student. Then we have John Love Ozi. She's from the same university, the University of Jos, Nigeria. She's a 2nd-year student. Okay. Then we have Arafat Hussain. Actually, he's a friend of mine, and also used to be my classmate at University of Dhaka, and he completed his master's in 2017. Then we have Nafid Tahir. He's also a student at University of Dhaka and doing his graduate. I'm having so much noise. Like, Love, could you turn off your microphone? Miss Love, could you turn off your microphone?
Yes.
And not the camera. It's turn off the microphone only. That would be fine. Yeah, we understand. Like there could be some noises outside, but please turn off your microphone. I think it's still turned on.
Okay.